Beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel and thank you so much for joining the channel today. So guys, if you are new here, my name is Milton Fonkwa. Thank you so much for joining our platform. Please, if you really love what I'm doing on my channel, like this video for me and share this video so that it can help somebody somewhere. We have a lot of people who have moved abroad from this YouTube channel, and we will keep putting out the material. In as much as I'm tired, I will always bring in material here so that we help ourselves. Now, this video is all about those of you that will be applying to study in Sweden in 2024-2025. Admissions is going to commence by June 2024, and lectures will start January 2025. Then after that, another admission session will start against September 2025. So let's begin with those that will be starting their admissions or their applications by June 2024. Now, if you want to study in Sweden, you should understand that you can pay your tuition yourself, and for you to know how much your program costs, you are going to know from the central platform that you need to apply to study in Sweden, which is universityadmissions.se. Also remember that you can move to Sweden with your spouse or your children if you apply for a bachelor's, a master's or PhD program, okay? But make sure, if you intend to remain in Sweden, if you want to go alone or go with family and you intend to remain in Sweden after your program, maybe get permanent residency or citizenship or even get a job, make sure you apply for a program that is at least 120 ECTS credit units. I am talking now to master's students, because of course bachelor students, their program are usually above that. Also remember, Sweden is very expensive, and that is why I am doing this video. There is a possibility for you to apply for a fully funded scholarship in Sweden, and the name of this scholarship is called the SI scholarship. But remember, for you to apply for the SI scholarship, there are specific programs you need to check or you have to apply to, and when you apply to this program, you need to gain admissions in one of these programs in one of these universities before you can go ahead and apply for the program. Remember, you cannot apply for the Swedish Institute scholarship, which is the SI scholarship, except the application portal is open, and it's usually open around after 5 or 6 or 8 days after the admissions results for that intake is out, because you need your offer letter to apply for the Swedish Institute scholarship. I will encourage you all to listen to this video to the very end so that you do not do otherwise. Remember, you have to pay an application fee before you can apply to Sweden. It's non-refundable, and you can apply to 4 different universities with this one application. Now let's go to the universities. I want to talk to you about the universities and the programs. In case you want to apply to Sweden and you are targeting a scholarship, please listen to this video to the very end, then save the video, share the video, and keep the video somewhere so that when you start applying to programs in Sweden, you should target any of these programs I'm going to mention here in case you want to apply for the Swedish Institute scholarship. Remember that there are about 700 programs. I'm going to talk about them now. This Swedish Institute scholarship is a fully funded scholarship organized by the Swedish officials. And if you really want to know more, you can check the universityadmission.se website. Now, also understand that if you win this scholarship, you are going to get a monthly stipend of around 10,000 Swedish krona. And this scholarship will cover your tuition, pay your insurance, and give you travel allowance. Now, let's take a look at the programs. I'm equally going to be reading my jotter here so that we do not make errors on what we are doing. Please bear with me that like I said, if you really want to apply to a school in Sweden, you need to pay attention to this list if you intend to apply for any scholarship of your choice. I hope you understand. Now I will be reading from here, and I want you to pay attention to the video. Remember, I will be reading the name of the university, and of course, if you are watching this video, know that all the programs are master's degree programs, and they all have credits of at least 120 or 60 credits, but the majority of the programs are 120 credits. So I will not talk about the credits again. I will not talk about the other details, but I will talk about the name of the university and the program. So when you go to universityadmissions.se, you should be looking for those particular programs. All right, now let's go to Blackins Institute of Technology. That's the first program. The first school we are going to talk about is Blackins Institute of Technology. Now with Blackins Institute of Technology, these are the programs that are eligible for the Swedish Institute scholarship. If you apply for a master's in computer science, mechanical engineering, software engineering, telecommunication system, strategic leadership towards sustainability, then there is another one, and this time is not Blackins University. They are at Chalmers University of Technology, which include applied mechanics, architecture and planning beyond sustainability. The other one is architecture and urban design. Then there is also biomedical engineering, biotechnology, complex adaptive systems, computer science, algorithm, languages and logic, computer systems and network, data science and AI. Then you also have designs and construction projects, embedded electronic system design and electronic. In fact, there are many of them at Chalmers University. I will not read all of them. I just gave you part of them. Then let's go to the other university, Dalama University. You can apply to global sexual and reproductive health, business intelligence, energy efficiency, built environment, solar energy. Then you have tourism, destination development and economics. Okay, I'm going to put a link in the video description box so that you can check all of them. Then there are some programs too at Hamstack University. Then if you are applying to these universities, you should pay attention to. Then you also have some at Jokompik University. Then you also have some programs also at Karlstad University. Then you also have some at Karolinska Institute. Then you also have some at Kongsvik University of Arts and Craft and Design. Then you also have some at KTH Royal Institute of Technology. Then you also have some programs at let's take a look at the next school. You have some programs at Lekompik University. Then you also have some at Linnaeus University. The Linnaeus is Linnaeus. Okay, the next university is Luleå University. Okay, these are all universities in Sweden. You also have programs at Lund University. You also have programs at which other university again? We will be talking about them because we need international students who want to apply to this particular scholarship to pay attention to. We will also talk about programs at Malmö University like interaction design, international migration and ethics, relationships for sustainability. You also have criminology, biomedical, surface science. These are just some few programs at Malmö University. Then you also have programs at Mitt Sweden University. You also have programs at there is another university, Mälardalens University. You also have programs at Stockholm School of Business. You also have programs at Stockholm University. You also have programs at Swedish University of Agricultural Sciences. You also have programs at Southampton University. You also have programs at Umeå University. As a matter of fact, if you are an international student, pay attention to this Umeå University because it is a great school, and I know a couple of friends who are studying in this particular university. Then check University of Borås. This is another school. Then check University of Gothenburg. I have a friend in this school. You can also check it. It's a good school as well. Then you can also check University of Garvi. Okay, you can check it as well. You have the University of Skoft. You also check it. And let's see which other university. Uppsala University, which is one of the top schools in Sweden as well. You may also consider, you can apply to Uppsala, Stockholm and Gothenburg. These are big schools in Sweden. Then you have Örebro University, and I think that is the last school. So if you are applying to, the programs are many. There are 700 of them. I cannot read all the programs. I just decided to give you the schools so you understand. In case you are applying to any school, please remember that you must apply for a program that can give you the scholarship, because without you applying to a program that can offer you the scholarship, you need to check this list. I'm going to check the list and put it in the video description box, so you yourself, you can also check the list to be sure that the program you are going to be applying to, you can use that admission offer to apply for a scholarship. I hope you enjoy this. Till we meet again in another one. For other details about Sweden, how to move to Sweden, please watch previous episodes on my YouTube channel.